Government pledges tangible results and continued reform in 2026. The United National Congress, UNC, government has set an ambitious agenda for 2026, focusing on the delivery of concrete results and continued structural reform across multiple sectors as the nation prepares to turn the page on 2025. As Trinidad and Tobago enters the new year, government ministers have finalized comprehensive plans designed to fulfill the mandate voters delivered in the April 2025 general election. Prime Minister Kamla Persad-Bissessar set the tone at the UNC's Christmas dinner, declaring that 2026 will be a decisive year for both the country and her administration. She emphasized the significant work ahead to transform campaign promises into tangible improvements in citizens' lives. Key ministerial priorities for 2026. Senate leadership and collaboration. Minister in the Office of the Prime Minister and Senate Leader Daryl Alahar emphasized the importance of legislative cooperation in the year ahead. Further to what the Honorable Prime Minister recently declared as the focus for the coming year, I look forward to a busy and dynamic Senate in 2026, Alahar stated. It is my earnest hope that all senators will work together as we have before, in the interest of all our people. Energy sector expansion. Energy Minister Rudal Munilal described 2026 as poised to be a blockbuster year of pace, hard-nosed negotiations, and a global call to invest in our emerging energy hub. The minister outlined an aggressive strategy combining energy diplomacy with the government's economic master plan to accelerate infrastructure expansion. We've entered a favorable period in terms of international interest and capital attraction to Trinidad and Tobago, Munilal noted. The Prime Minister's dedicated efforts and our persistent support for oil majors will result in record investment levels. We expect the Energy Accelerator Hub to be fully operational in the first quarter. Local government reform. Rural Development and Local Government Minister Khadija Amin announced plans to fundamentally improve service delivery at the municipal level. The ministry will focus on evaluating existing systems and assessing their actual impact on citizens' daily lives, she explained. We have untapped resources and human potential that must be harnessed. Minister Amin also revealed plans to engage international agencies in sustainable rural development initiatives, ensuring that rural communities and municipalities advance in alignment with Prime Minister Persad-Bissessar's national vision. Healthcare modernization. Health Minister Dr. Richard Citron pledged continued expansion of healthcare services throughout 2026. Key initiatives include extended operating hours at selected health facilities, full utilization of the Kuva Children's Hospital, modernization of the Chronic Disease Assistance Program, CDAP, and expansion of the Children's Life Fund. In 2026, we will launch targeted programs focused on non-communicable disease prevention and promoting healthier eating choices, Dr. Citron stated. We approach 2026 with anticipation and renewed commitment to providing the highest quality healthcare to all citizens. Critical infrastructure projects. Public Utilities Minister Barry Patterath announced major water infrastructure projects that will bring relief to underserved communities across both islands. We'll embark on significant desalination plant projects in Moruga, Mayaro, and Charlottesville, bringing tremendous relief to many parts of Trinidad and Tobago, the minister said. Patterath also highlighted plans to pass landmark legislation on beverage container recycling, a bill that has been outstanding for years. Additionally, the ministry will address systematic challenges at SUMCOL, Trinidad and Tobago Utilities, TGU, PowerGen, and TNTC through enhanced monitoring and evaluation mechanisms. Cultural development and nation building. Culture Minister Michelle Benjamin described 2026 as a critical period for advancing the ministry's mandate to strengthen national identity and empower communities. Strategic priorities include building community resilience and social cohesion through targeted interventions that revitalize community-based organizations and enhance local leadership capacity. We are strengthening governance, accountability, and interagency collaboration while enhancing our monitoring and evaluation frameworks, Benjamin explained. The ministry is positioned as a key driver of nation-building, community empowerment, and cultural sustainability, reinforcing culture and community development as central pillars of Trinidad and Tobago's social stability and national progress. A year of accountability and results. As midnight approaches on December 31st and fireworks illuminate the sky, government ministers and citizens alike will be looking toward a year defined by concrete achievements rather than mere promises. The UNC government has made clear that 2026 will be measured not by rhetoric, but by tangible improvements in energy infrastructure, healthcare access, water security, local government efficiency, and cultural development. With comprehensive plans now finalized across all major ministries, the government enters 2026 committed to transforming the electoral mandate received in April 2025 into measurable progress that improves the daily lives of all Trinidad and Tobago citizens. Key improvements made. Enhanced opening that clearly establishes the government's 2026 agenda. Added descriptive subheadings for each ministry section. Expanded context and explanation for each minister's priorities. Improved flow and transitions between sections. Added concluding section tying together the government's unified vision. Enhanced readability while maintaining all original quotes and content. Clarified technical terms, CDAP, SUMCAL, etc. Strengthen the narrative arc from vision to implementation.